I'm the Safar making a Kenyan jelly cake with the help of simulator cake game. Let's start, guys. This is gonna be one of the best cake. This is sponsored by the Teeny Baker. Oh my god! I just scrambled the biscuits. Okay, it's gonna be a very easy. Okay. Okay. Put some butter on it. Put some butter on the biscuits, crumble biscuits. Okay. Take a spoon and while mix. Wow. Okay. Putting the mixture of butter and the crumble biscuits on a jar. It's lead to be, I think, a base of the jelly cake. I think so. It's gonna be a very fine and looking so tasty. Okay. Just properly spread over the plates. So in the fridge. Okay. Oh wow. Put some ingredient on the fridge. 1, 2. I think this is a watermelon. Okay. Oh, a cupcake and a jar of the fill of mixture of butter and the biscuits crumbled. Okay, nice. The freeze is done. Okay. Take me some waters to boil. But why? Oh, this is gonna be a melting of some chocolates, white chocolate. Okay, just mixing the white chocolate well over a boil water heat, not a direct heat, but a water stream. Okay, I just pick a pink one. This is gonna be a nice. Okay, pink one chocolate, melting the chocolate, making a good layer on a cake. Okay, just put it outside it. Okay, I'll choose a bowl. All the trees. Okay, I'll step by step. Okay, blue one is complete, and I will just take a first one, light blue, sky blue color. Take a spoon. Just mix well. Okay, guys, this is gonna be a very good. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be a converted to a nozzle. I think I just do with this nozzle icing of the cake. Okay. I just making a structure. A whale. Doesn't know what is a crab. Is a star. Pink one use this fill of this, and I think this is a star. I just fill the star with a blue color. What is this? This is a white. I'm putting on these white. Okay, the remaining is light blue, sky blue. And what the fuck? Okay, sky blue is a star. Okay, I just also put the sky blue on this. Okay, very good. I'll just put a blue color on these. I think the veil is also blue, but it's gonna be a not my type. Okay. No, this one. Wow, this is gonna be a piece of fish. Looks good. Looks good. Second step to make a nozzle over the cake. Okay. just putting up hot water on the jar as the same step of the previous. Oh my god, it's a jello jelly. Okay, it's mixed well. It's getting a smooth texture paste. Okay, pick with a cloth. Okay, take a cow milk. Okay, guys. What is this? Is there a sugar syrup or a syrup cube? I don't know what. I think this is a flour, making a thick mixture of a base of a cake. We're gonna have for sugar, milk, and the flour. Okay. The paste put on over the layer of biscuits and the butter. Okay, making it a base of a cheesecake. Over a cheesecake we put up. Okay. Over a cheesecake I put some jellies on that, so we can make a previous. Okay, done guys. Yes, I can do this. This is not a simple water. This is a water we can make previously. It's gonna be a transparent. Wow! Look at the upper layer. This is gonna be a best ever a transparent cake over the decade. Mix well over this. This is gonna be a sugar syrup, I think so. Taken a nozzle. Okay. Some garnishing with a nozzle cream. Okay. Just move forward with a third step. Add some charms over the. I think we want adding some fishes on that to give a more lovable texture. Yeah, I think so. This is gonna be a put about it. Just comment guys, what is this? I don't know what is this. I think this is gonna be algae. This is gonna be algae. Just take it small. This is gonna be looks good. Okay, crab. I love crab. Okay. Wow. Show thumb, show like if you love the cake. Just make a cheese jelly transparent cake. I love it.